Do you ever wonder why you're constantly battling skin problems? The world of skincare can be a battlefield, with acne, oily skin, and a dull complexion often the most formidable adversaries. But fear not, for every skin problem, there's a skin solution. The key lies in understanding and harnessing the power of the right skincare ingredients. These tiny warriors can turn the tide in your favor, restoring your skin's natural glow and health. One such ingredient that packs a powerful punch is kaolin clay. Kaolin clay, a naturally occurring mineral, has been a beauty secret for centuries. Dug from the earth, kaolin clay is a gentle yet powerful substance, born from the natural weathering of rocks. Its name hails from the Kaolin mountain in China, where it was first discovered. Now, let's delve into the wonders of this ancient beauty ingredient. First up, kaolin clay is a champion at absorbing excess oil. Its naturally absorbent properties mean it can soak up that unwanted shine without leaving your skin parched. It's like a sponge for your skin, but without the harsh drying effect of many oil control products. Next, let's talk exfoliation. Kaolin clay helps to slough off those stubborn dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, smoother complexion underneath. It's a gentle exfoliator, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin. But that's not all. Kaolin clay has more to offer. Kaolin clay is not just about making your skin look good, it's about making it feel good too. Now, let's delve into the third benefit of this wonder clay. Its soothing properties are a balm for irritated skin, helping to calm inflammation and redness. Imagine a cooling breeze on a hot day. That's what kaolin clay does for your skin. Next, we have the fourth benefit. Kaolin clay dives deep into your skin, cleaning out impurities and toxins. It's like having a mini detox session, but for your skin. The result? A clear, clean, and radiant complexion. Finally, the fifth benefit is kaolin clay's suitability for all skin types. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, kaolin clay is an inclusive skincare ingredient that embraces you just as you are. So next time you're facing a skin problem, remember kaolin clay might just be the solution you need. From absorbing excess oil to soothing irritated skin, kaolin clay is indeed a skincare superhero. It's your ticket to a gentle, deep cleanse that won't strip your skin of essential moisture. It's your ally in exfoliation, banishing dead skin cells to reveal a brighter complexion. And it's your secret weapon against inflammation, calming redness and irritation with ease. It's not just about beauty, it's about health and confidence. So why not give your skin the care it deserves with the potent power of kaolin clay?